All right, next. Okay. Dean, can you put your books over there with the other books? Here.
Okay. Hey, what's this one?
Oh, wait, this is
It's a learning book.
This is Dean.
These things slide out. And you can write, you practice your letters.
Hey, look.
I know, that's the pen. It's erasable. See, and you practice your letters. See this? A, big A, little A. A is for apple. And then you practice writing your A right there, see?
Oh.
Yep. We work on it with grown-ups.
Thank
It's a learning
you
book.
for the books.
Yeah, isn't that cool? Okay, can you go
Why
put them
do
over
I
there?
keep getting books?
Because books are awesome.
I like books.
See, look.
Thank you for all these books. Scooby-Doo doll! That's
It's a different Daphne. It's a real Barbie Daphne. Isn't that cool? Okay, do you go get a
You
piece
have a what?
That's not Daphne.
No, it's Barbie dressed as Daphne. It's Barbie. Before you got Daphne, that's Barbie dressed as Daphne for Scooby-Doo.
Ah, what's the name?
Let's see, what's the name on this?
I thought it was going to be a real Daphne.